So by now, most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome you to the So Darn Easy Forex University. Alright, so I want to welcome you guys here to the So Darn Easy Forex University. Of course, you guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also known as the Forex GOAT online. As I always tell you guys, very thankful to have you guys here. I realized that we could not be where we are today if it wasn't for the support from you, all of you from all across the world who have come to support us over the years. So we're very thankful. All right. Now listen, in this video, I want to give you guys some insight on the EURUSD. You know, the EURUSD for those you know. All right, so for those of you who do not already know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I'm the founder of the So Darn Easy Forex University. Very thankful to have you guys here, to have this platform to share my wisdom, my knowledge, my intel on trading Forex with the entire world. For the last number of years, I've been helping people, assisting people privately, virtually, you know, all across the world, helping people realize how to trade Forex, all right? And in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some intel, some knowledge and wisdom that I have on none other than the EURUSD pair, all right? Now, for those of you who do not know, the EURUSD pair is a very liquid pair, okay? Meaning, you know, the spreads are very, 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 very tight. You can get into that market and almost fall knee deep in profit, you know, without a problem, all right? But of course, if you can fall knee deep in profit, you can also lose your shirt. So whether you're trading a pair that has a wide spread or tight spread, that moves slow or moves fast, you should still know how and when to get into the market. You should still know how to trade the market, all right? Make sure your money management is right. Now, not to get too far off subject, but the EURUSD, as I stated, it's a very liquid pair. All right, a lot of people, they trade the pair because, like I said, you can, you know, open up some trades and you can fall almost in knee deep in profit in no time if you're trading, you know, in the right direction. So this particular pair, as I'm looking at it, this particular pair, let's sort of go back. Let's go back to 2017. 2017, I put out a video on YouTube telling everybody, hey, listen, as well as Instagram and Facebook. I put out a video telling everybody, listen, this pair, the EURUSD pair, just like other Euro pairs, they're going up. And what had happened was, shortly after, all those markets gapped up, okay? They all gapped up and they all went up, all right? And when they all went up, I told everyone again, I said, listen, these markets are going up. So, you know, let's ride the markets up. Well, of course, you know, whenever you put out, you know, some type of analysis, people always see things from their perspective, which is, you know, that's just the way it is. And I had a couple people say, no, you don't know what you're talking about. The market's going to do this. The market's going to do that. And the market actually went up. Then I also told everyone, listen, the market is going to come down. Now, the market has been coming down. In 2017, well, 2018, the first quarter of 2018, that market has been coming down, okay? It's been coming down ever since. And it was during that time period that I said, listen, this market is pretty much done going up, but it's going to come down. Now, rightfully so, I didn't expect it to come all the way back down to 108. Okay? Now, let me explain something to you guys, for those of you who do not really know much about the EURUSD pair. Now, just like I stated, in April, well, let me break it down. In April 2017, the EURUSD gapped up. Now, that was during the French presidential election. You guys check all the Euro pairs, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro Swiss, you know, all of the Euro pairs, they gapped up, okay, during the French presidential election. To be exact, like I said, April 2017, they all gapped up and they all went up. Now, since then, some of them had come down, nearly closing the gap. Some of them have, I'm not 100% certain, but I believe one of them may have closed the gap as of yet. But however, we're talking about the Euro-USD pair. The Euro-USD pair right now is sitting at that 108 mark, okay? And 108 and some change. What I'm watching right now is that 108.5, between the 108.5 and the 107.4 level. In that area, that's where the gap is, okay? And what I am expecting is for that market to possibly, okay, to possibly bounce off that level, off that gap, okay? Now, from 2017, April 2017 until now, that market has come full circle. Okay? The market started here, the market went up, the market came back down to where it started. Okay? It has come full circle, and now we're back at the point where it started, April 2017. Now, to see if history repeats itself, as you all know, things that happened in the past, historical data will prove me right, all right, and everyone else. The market is doing the same thing as it's always done. So with that, for those of you who want to trade on a pair that moves, moderately, but also has a very tight gap, well, this is your pair. Not my favorite pair, but this is an area that I'm watching, and I am expecting the market to make a move from. Okay? Because just like I told everyone before, in April 2017, this market was going up. And the market went up. So I'm telling you guys again, watch this area, okay? This is a very important area to watch. Okay, if you want to make money in the market, watch this area. Now, there's no guarantee that it's going to bounce. There's no guarantee that it's going to break through. There's no guarantee that it's going to do anything. I'm not guaranteeing anything. What I'm telling you to do is to watch the area. You have to have your own entry strategy to get into the market, okay? We're not going to get into that. This is not the place for that. But whatever your entry strategy is, whatever it may be, whether it goes up or down, this is where you have to have a solid strategy, a money management strategy, to realize consistent profit, okay? Continued profit. Get into the market and, let that thing run. So I wanted to let you guys know this because I believe it's very important that, for those of you who are not able to see the market as I see it, it's important that when I see these areas in the market where, I'm expecting something big to happen it's important that, I share it with people, here and there. I don't do this all too often anymore as I used to do. I used to give out trade alerts all the time. This is not really so much of a trade alert. Well, I guess it could be a trade alert, but this is for you guys to keep watch on it. Actually, it is a trade alert. I'm giving you guys, I am alerting you all of a possible move. Okay, this is, by no means is this a signal because I'm not telling you when or where to get in. Really, I'm just telling you that I'm expecting the market to move in a direction from this level. It can go up or it can go down. Okay, but there's a lot of logic within what I just told you guys if you just pay attention. Okay, so we covered this today with our trade alert training for our students at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I wanted to make sure that I had at least give you guys something publicly so that you guys have something to watch and maybe make good on. Because I go over the entire market with my students, and this is just one setup that we're watching. So you guys, hopefully you can make good on this, whether it goes up or down. Hopefully you have some type of entry strategy, because if the market doesn't go up, then you should know that it's going down. Okay, that's just the rule of thumb. It's only two ways to trade it, right? So listen, For that, this is going to be in this video. I have a few other topics that I want to share with you guys in the next few videos. You guys have nothing short of a fantastic rest of your evening. I look forward to helping you guys and assisting you guys in the near future. All right. Once again, I'm Yusef Scott, also known as the Forex GOAT. I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.